Title: The Wise Owl's Lesson. Once upon a time, in a dense and magical jungle, there lived a group of young animals. They were a playful and curious bunch, always exploring the jungle and having fun. However, they had one problem. They often forgot to think about the consequences of their actions. One sunny morning, as the animals gathered near the riverbank, they noticed that the river was starting to dry up. The fish were getting trapped in small puddles, and the plants were wilting. Everyone was worried, but they couldn't figure out why this was happening. Among the animals, there was an old and wise owl named Ollie. Ollie was known throughout the jungle for his knowledge and wisdom. So, the young animals decided to seek Ollie's advice. They found Ollie perched on a high branch of a tall tree, his big, round eyes shining with wisdom. They asked him, "Ollie, why is the river drying up? What should we do?" Ollie looked down at the worried young animals and said, "My dear friends, the river is drying up because we have been careless with our water usage. We've been using more water than the river can provide. It's time for us to learn a valuable lesson about conservation." The young animals listened intently as Ollie continued. "Each of you must promise to use water wisely. Don't waste it, and always remember that we share this jungle with many other creatures who depend on the river too." The young animals realized their mistake and made a pact to use water responsibly. They started using just the right amount of water for their needs and stopped wasting it. As a result, the river began to flow once more and the jungle returned to its vibrant and lush self. But the lessons didn't stop there. The young animals learned that their actions had consequences, not just for themselves but for the whole jungle. They started thinking about how their actions affected others and became more considerate and caring. Over time, they also sought out Ollie's wisdom on other matters, learning about the importance of sharing, kindness, and teamwork. The jungle became a harmonious place where all the animals lived in peace and took care of each other. And so, the young animals in the jungle learned that wisdom, responsibility, and care for others were just as important as having fun and exploring. With the guidance of the wise owl, they grew up to be not only adventurous but also compassionate creatures who made their jungle a better place for all who called it home.